Keep it locked right here. You don't want to miss this one. I'm talking with Colette about restoring your relationship with your child after you've had an argument. Now, a lot of parents would find themselves in these situations, particularly teenage parents or even parents with young children, because we're always saying things that maybe we didn't mean.
Well, I think
Maybe.
we need to... No, definitely. I think we need to remember that we're human as parents, and so some of our children's reactions will bring up stuff in us, but we also bring things home from work or from our relationship with our partner. I know some of my children happen to be in the firing line because I've been having a disagreement with another child, and they walk in and they're in there. And so we all do that as humans, and it's just to be caring and forgiving of yourself, but then working towards restoring the relationship.
Okay.
And I think things that are important to do is, you're the adult, you need to take the steps first to restore the relationship.
Yeah, so important.
Yeah.
Take accountability.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And even if your child is the one who started it or was in the wrong, as the adult, we have to be the one to pursue our child and work at taking steps to restoring the relationship.
Right.
And so even if our child is rejecting us when we first try and make right with them, we need to give them some space.
Okay.
Particularly if we have been in the wrong and we've flown off the handle or we've raised our voices, give them some space to be upset with us.
Okay.
Allow them to also, in
So
their
if they don't want to
humanness-
talk to you, if they've slammed the bedroom door shut, just let it be.
Give them some time.
Right.
Heightened emotion isn't the time to try and repair or really talk through the issues.
Yeah.
It's time to just connect. And then if our child is withdrawing for a while, give them space, but say to them, I'm here with you. Hey, I'm here for you afterwards. And so even when our children are rejecting of us, we are the adults. We need to be the ones going forward to restore the relationship. And then reflecting in hindsight on things that we might have done wrong and model to our children apologies. It's so powerful.
Yeah, I love that. Thank you so much, because I think it's important as parents we remind ourselves, say sorry, be accountable. It's okay,
It's
and
about
we're
modelling.
the adult. We're the adult, modelling those behaviours that our kids will carry that on to other people.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Colette, for those awesome tips.